Right guys, I just have to do a very short POV on this lovely Subaru Impreza Wrx Sti Spec C we've got in. It's already a bit Asbo. It's got the biggest exhaust pipe you've ever seen. You can fit your head in it. The bonnet scoot's big enough to inhale, hold children one at a time. It's got this lovely little Spec C special air vent in the roof, but the best bit is this little button down here. You click that and it just makes it special stage. You can hear the exhaust popping and banging now. Oh, a lovely bit of road. Oh. Sounds like the army's in town. The overrun is comical on this now. This is so excessive, it's like the most antisocial car yet. Love it.